All right, a real quick walk around on this guy. This one is completely finished. I'm picking up the body panels tomorrow, so it's about 20 after 5. Well, probably early afternoon. This will be completely done, totally wrapped up. And all I need left to do is test drive it. Otherwise, everything is done. I've got the back wheel on there, chromed the rim, and as you can see, I've still got a funnel in here. I just bled out the antifreeze, so I'm going to let that cool overnight. It'll pull some of that down. Brake lines are all in, brakes are all set. Everything, as I say, is finished. It needs a good cleaning. The back wheel turned out really good. It's got some real shine to it. The powder coating chrome is okay. It works fairly nice, but you can't use abrasive cleaners on it because it is powder coated. It's not chrome, but it's about as close to chrome as you can get. It's got the right color and consistency, so kind of blends together pretty nice. Nice bike, very nice. My first Goldwing was exactly duplicate of this one. I love that bike. That was a great machine. Can't say anything bad about a Goldwing, that's for sure. So we'll continue this tomorrow when we have her completely finished.